Hey y'all, Jodie here with Joco Travels. I'm here checking out the new Montana 3531 RE. Let's go check it out. So right off the bat, I am in love with this giant kitchen. I mean, look at all this counter space. And not only that, but there is a coffee bar all ready to go. So as we walk out of the kitchen, you'll see that this layout is so perfect, comfy, and look at this giant couch. I am in love with this workspace. I mean, look at this. Put your laptop right here, have a beautiful view, and get your work done. And this bathroom barely needs any words. I mean, look how beautiful this is. The wavy tile, the seat, the shower heads. This Montana, it's all about the details. You'll notice in here you get a full-size king bed, and the closet is probably my favorite part. All this storage, and you have a laundry chute. As you can see, this Montana is not slipping on the details. The beams, the lights, I mean, everything in here is so gorgeous. So make sure you check it out on Keystone's website.